Okay, so here's the deal. Any brand that you work with is going to be launching products. And in this video, I'm going to talk about that, how you go about launching a product to the email list to guarantee success and excitement from your list. Now we're going to go into the basics as well as some more advanced stuff. So I do recommend that you have a notepad, take notes, pay attention, engage. And of course, at any point, if you have questions, leave them in the comments below. You always want to start the launch campaign before the actual launch. Like, you don't want to tell people on the day, today we launched a new product, go and buy it. You want to start telling them beforehand. Why? Because it's very unlikely that your emails get 100% open rate. That means that simply, even though you will launch the product on the day, there's going to be a huge amount of people that will just not see the launch, okay, because they didn't open that particular email. So to give your product the highest chances of succeeding, to give your launch the highest chances of succeeding, you need to start talking about it and building excitement before the actual launch, because this gives you more chances to actually engage customers and for people to see that there is something happening, okay? So you're starting before the launch, and what you're trying to do is you're sending out a few emails building up to the date, and in the emails you're telling the customers about the launch. And you can be as creative and as secretive or as open as you want, so you can start slowly and start teasing them that there is something new coming, and it's whatever, it's going to be revolutionary for what. Like, if it's a skincare product and it's for wrinkles, you want to talk about that. It's the newest solution for wrinkles, and it's lab tested, and these are the results. So you don't even talk about the product. Is it a cream? Is it a treatment? Whatever. But you're just talking about the before and after, the benefit, right? So you're getting people excited. You're getting them thinking about the problem that they have, which, in this particular situation would be wrinkles. Anyway, I'm getting wrinkles. And they're getting like, oh yeah, I'm good. I need this. Like, I need to know, what is this? I need to keep an eye out. Do I already know about this? Do I already have it? What are they talking about? And then, you're going to have however many days or weeks you choose to talk about this, depending on what the product is. Now, if it's a low cost product, like a $5 lip gloss, maybe you don't need to be talking about it for 2 months before the launch, okay? Because it's a decision that's easy to make. It's easy for someone to spend $5. If it is an anti-wrinkle blasting device of some kind of dark witchcraft magic that's going to cost $3,000, now obviously you need more time to sell it to the person, right? Unless your audience is super rich. But even then, like, $3,000 is considered an investment. So you really need to explain it to them well. You need to explain why they need it, why there's nothing else like it, etc. So you're going to need more time. Now, so you be the judge of that. Now, then you will get to the days before the launch, right? You really want to build the tension up here, and you want to make sure that you're giving people an incentive to buy as soon as the product is launched. So you don't want to just be like, yeah, we're going to launch it on Monday. If you want it, get it. You got to be like, the first, 100 customers get a significant amount off, or the first 100 customers get a gift. You really want to think about how you're going to incentivize. I hope that's a word. Incentivize people to really be the first ones to buy as soon as they get that launch email. You want them to set alarms on their phone. Like, that's how crazy you want them to be about the new product, right? But obviously, for them to be at that point, you would have had to explain the entire product to them and the price of it, probably, so that they just know, okay, this is what I want. They've already made the decision. Now they're just waiting for you to give them the option to buy, okay? So then when you're launching, you want to be blasting them like a couple of emails in a row, like hours before the launch, during the launch, 2 hours left for the promotion. The promotion is expiring now. Bam, okay, it's closed. And then you could have like a second wave of whatever. Like, for those that missed out on the main gift, you get like a little gift if you like a loser's price if you buy now. And then you just go back to basically the normal advertising of the product, or the normal thingy. But also, after the launch, you can send out some thank you emails to the people that bought it immediately and whatever, and that will still keep it active on the list for a little while, and you just let the excitement die down. So you want to just gently take them back down to normal, okay? let's say you have a huge list of, for example, 20,000 people, and out of those 20,000 people, you've got 1,000 VIPs. So these are people that spend a lot of money with your store and they buy frequently and they're very engaged with your emails. You might choose to first launch to them. Why? Because it gives them the exclusivity, but also it means that your campaigns will obviously have a higher open rate and a higher conversion rate, and it could be a chance to test ideas and see how people react and to get feedback from the VIPs on the product, so that when you get to the main list, you have social proof to show them, which is going to be good for them because they're not your VIPs. They're not like brand advocates. They're just people that know your brand. So having some social proof from people who have already tested your product is going to be awesome and could help you. Now it's up to you whether you do it, whether you release the product segment by segment, or whether you just blast it to your entire list. But it always works well to use segmentation in your favor. So yeah, that's basically it. And then even with your normal list, after people purchase, you really want to push them to give you reviews and feedback, because it is a new product. The quicker you build up its credentials within your brand, and the quicker you build up the social proof, the better chances it's going to have of becoming like an evergreen product that just keeps selling, one of your best sellers. So yeah, do that, push for the feedback. And usually you would do that with the post-purchase flow for that product, where you would just, push that little bit extra harder and make it very easy for them to leave you reviews and testimonials. And you can also think about incentivizing the testimonials. So maybe they get some kind of a discount or a gift or whatever, a mention on your Facebook page or Instagram page in return for the review. So that is how you launch a product with your email list. I hope it helped. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I do answer your questions. I answer every single comment. And make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. And yeah, much love.